Keep it. After more than 24 hours of flying, I just arrived in Oulu, Finland. I'm so tired. But this is a press trip, so rushing to the hotel, getting ready, and going right to dinner at 8 o'clock.
And I will be your host during your whole trip, so if you need anything, you can call me anytime, send me a message. My name is Marta. I'm working as a head of content and communications at Visit Oulu.
Love how modern it feels. It's a brand new hotel, so you know, I hope it feels clean and modern, but it really does. Like, I love Finnish and even maybe Scandinavian architecture in general. And the bed, of course, my favorite. 2 beds with 1 middle sheet but 2 separate covers. My favorite. But I need to go to dinner, so let's go. Keep me. I think keep me. The whole setup. We're about to go walk on the snow, I think, or like walk on a big frozen lake basically. And they gave us these huge snowsuits because it's gonna be chilly. We got boots, mittens, hat, like it's a whole setup. Finland is no joke. It's gonna be an experience.
Well, I work in Oulu 2026 team as head of communication and marketing.
So these are a bit easier to put on a car and stuff like that. The fur is gonna help you to go uphill, so you can go uphill with these.
Mine's a perfect fit. It's 0 degrees Celsius, so it's like 30. It's not snowy, it is just white. That's how to describe the weather right now. The sky is white. It's not even like cloudy like gray. It's just white. The ground is white. This is actually the sea. The sea is white. Like, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Crazy. What are we doing?
Sliding snowshoeing.
Sliding snowshoeing. Say that 3 times. Sliding. I can't even say it once. Sliding snowshoeing guide.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. And you're working with, what's the name of the company?
Nallikari Safaris.
I will let her say it.
So you can ice fish here, you can go with the sliding snowshoes and with the cross-country skis or walking. You can do almost everything.
Everything on the ice.
You can imagine you can do it.
Yeah, it's so interesting.
And it's matched with everything because you can drink. You try it.
I need time to process, yeah. Now we're heading off to the polar bear pitching event where people are gonna jump in this frozen lake and pitch their businesses for a chance at 10,000 euros. Couldn't be me, but I will be rooting them on and cheering because it's frozen, you guys. It's not even like, good luck. I got my badge. Gabby Beckford, polar bear pitching, February 29th, rare date in history. I must just see some crazy stuff, I think.
know the judges are feeling.
Night out in Oulu, Finland. We're heading to the bar. We just left the polar bear pitching competition, and yeah, we're gonna head to the bar, have a drink, and then we have dinner at 8 o'clock at another wonderful restaurant, and then calling it a night. I had a little quick nap at the pub earlier, so I'm kind of wide awake now, actually. I feel like that's the hack to beating jet lag is fall asleep at the pub, and that's like the best nap humanly possible. So, travel hack, write that down. Woo, say hi. Hi. Woo. Woo. Yeah, don't have a vote. I'm never scared. Tastes like salami. I like it actually. What are we doing today, Martha?
Yeah, snow sculpting.
Snow
Yeah,
sculpting.
making something very beautiful art from snow.
Let's try to make the most furious, painful facial expression that you can do. Just like. This is a warm-up song. You can like move around.
You've played before. You're in a band? From air guitar lessons, down the stairs, through the dungeon, to dinner.
Actually press from one. Ooh, sorry. Sorry.
I'm blind.
She's drawing the attention of the bears. They're gonna come
Yeah.
to her.
Come on, bears.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whee. So quiet. The baby Christmas trees. She said there's no animals to be worried about here. No bears. Some elk, but they're deer, so. We're doing a food and art tour, guided food and art tour, and a refurbished factory.
Once I was there was this very big spike there, and it just stopped there. There were lots of people. It was looking, and it didn't go anywhere. It was very funny. And also sometimes you can see the salmon also.
It's really not that cold, it's like 30 degrees, but it's cold for me. Oh no, this is so snotty. But it's so nice. It's quiet, it's clean, it's refreshing.
So you put it like this, and then you put your hand so the wind doesn't go to your neck.
Thank you so much. This is so great. Time to see the reindeer. I've never seen a reindeer in real life before, so I'm kind of excited. I think it'll be mostly like a deer. Oh my god, a baby! A baby one, oh my god. god, me and this reindeer. Hey baby! Hi baby! Hey the baby! I am in Finland right now on a reindeer sleigh ride. How many people can say that? Oh my god. Oh my god.
When she was like baby, and then she didn't grow in the forest, but she stayed with the family, and that's why she's like a dog or something.
Ah, so
Yeah.
so used to humans. Oh, her tiny
Yes,
horse.
she's even wearing the dog clothes.
What a cutie! Oh my god. Their little feet are like flippers.
Yeah.
The music is growing. Hear us approaching the party. Actually, I could kind of hear it in my room. I thought someone next door to me was playing music, but no. It was the frozen people party starting.
Where are you from, my friend?
It's good to get to know you guys. Have a very nice dinner and
Thank you so much.
kippis.
Kippies!
Thank you.
Kippies. Oh my god, look how snotty, snivelly I am. It is so cold here in Finland, but it is also so beautiful. And it has been such a great trip.